As we age, our bodies face a quiet, invisible battle. Every day, tiny molecules called free radicals attack your cells. They damage DNA, speed up aging, and stress your organs, leaving you feeling fatigued, your skin looking dull, and your recovery from exercise slower than it used to be. After 40, this cellular stress becomes more significant. Your body's natural defense system, antioxidants, begins to lose efficiency. That's why even simple tasks may feel more tiring, and the signs of aging appear faster than you'd like. But what if you could give your body a natural shield, a way to fight back, restore energy, and protect your cells, all from something you eat every day? Science shows that certain fruits are packed with antioxidants powerful enough to neutralize these free radicals before they do serious damage. According to a 2022 study from the National Institutes of Health, adults over 40 who regularly consumed antioxidant-rich fruits had improved cellular repair, lower inflammation, and better overall vitality. This special fruit contains flavonoids and vitamin C, which work together to protect your heart, boost immunity, and even help your skin stay firm and youthful. Every bite helps combat oxidative stress, improves blood flow, and supports overall cellular health. It's easy to include in your diet, doesn't require supplements, and is delicious in smoothies, salads, or even as a snack. If you've ever wondered whether it's possible to slow aging naturally without complicated routines, this fruit may be the answer. Stay tuned. Soon we'll explore how it can protect your heart, balance your energy, and reveal the name of this everyday red jewel that's waiting in your kitchen. As we cross 40, maintaining a healthy heart and balanced blood sugar becomes more important than ever. Blood vessels can stiffen, cholesterol levels can rise, and the risk of type 2 diabetes increases. Even small changes in diet can have a massive impact on your long-term health. Now, imagine a natural way to help protect your cardiovascular system. Something simple, accessible, and effective. This fruit contains powerful compounds that reduce inflammation, lower bad cholesterol, and support healthy blood pressure. In fact, a 2021 study from the American Heart Association found that adults who regularly consumed flavonoid-rich fruits had better heart health markers compared to those who didn't. But the benefits don't stop at your heart. These same compounds help regulate blood sugar by slowing glucose absorption and improving insulin sensitivity. That means your energy stays steady throughout the day, and you reduce spikes that can lead to fatigue or weight gain. What makes this fruit remarkable is its combination of natural antioxidants, fiber, and plant nutrients, all working together to protect your cells and support your body from the inside out. Including this fruit in your diet can be as simple as adding a handful to your morning oatmeal, blending it into a smoothie, or enjoying it fresh as a snack. It's a small daily habit with a significant impact, supporting your heart, stabilizing blood sugar, and even aiding digestion. So if you're over 40 and want to take control of your heart and energy levels naturally, this fruit could be the key. And keep watching, because in just a moment, we'll dive into how it boosts your brain, enhances skin health, and finally reveal the fruit itself. After 40, your body doesn't recover as quickly as it used to. Hormonal changes, stress, and slower metabolism can leave your skin looking dull, your focus slipping, and your energy levels dropping. You might notice it in small ways: a midday slump, dry skin, or forgetting names more often. Here's where this extraordinary fruit comes into play. It's packed with nutrients that help protect your brain, rejuvenate your skin, and provide steady energy without spikes or crashes. A 2022 study from Harvard Medical School found that adults over 40 who consumed antioxidant-rich fruits regularly had improved cognitive function, better memory retention, and higher mental clarity. These natural compounds reduce oxidative stress in brain cells and support neurotransmitters that control mood, focus, and alertness. Your skin benefits too. The antioxidants and vitamin C in this fruit help maintain collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm and smooth. Daily consumption may reduce fine lines, improve elasticity, and promote a natural glow. And when it comes to energy, the fiber and natural sugars work together to provide a slow, sustained release. Unlike processed snacks that cause crashes, this fruit gives your body a gentle, lasting boost, perfect for busy adults managing work, family, and life after 40. It's simple to include in your routine. Add it to smoothies, yogurt, or enjoy it on its own. Every bite supports your heart, brain, skin, and energy levels, all at the same time. Hang on, because in just a moment we'll finally reveal this delicious red jewel and show exactly how it can become your secret weapon for staying youthful, vibrant, and healthy after 40. The moment you've been waiting for has arrived. The fruit that can protect your heart, brain, skin, and energy after 40. It's strawberry. This bright, juicy red fruit isn't just delicious. It's packed with antioxidants, vitamin C, fiber, and plant compounds that work together to support your body from the inside out. Every bite helps combat oxidative stress, reduces inflammation, and keeps your cells functioning optimally. For your heart, strawberries help improve blood flow, lower cholesterol, and support healthy blood pressure. For your brain, the antioxidants protect neurons, boost memory, and enhance focus. And for your skin, the vitamin C helps maintain collagen, keeping it firm, smooth, and youthful looking. The best part, they provide steady, natural energy through a combination of fiber and natural sugars. No crashes, no jitters. It's a small, everyday habit with a huge impact. Eating strawberries regularly can become a simple routine. Add them to your breakfast, blend them into smoothies, mix them in yogurt, or enjoy them as a snack. They are versatile, tasty, and incredibly effective for anyone over 40 who wants to feel and look younger naturally. So here's your action step. Include strawberries in your daily diet. Your heart, brain, skin, and energy levels will thank you. And if you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to RU40+, your go-to channel for natural, science-backed ways to stay healthier, stronger, and more vibrant every day. Your journey to vitality doesn't need complicated routines. Sometimes the simplest foods make the biggest difference.